guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. My glasses and my cell phone became moist because of the hot temperature, very hot outside. See, I just dropped the kids in school. I removed my glasses because I cannot see. See, this is the building of the school. Oh, Peter.
मैसेज कर दो ना उसको एगो जब हम बोला